All right, guys, today I want to do a full unboxing review, and we'll even set up my new 4K video camera. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. I think these were outdated at one point, but I think they're making a comeback. But all right, so here's the manual for it. Remote, 2 batteries, Type-C cable, and this very nice carrying case for it. Very nice. This is nice. Man, check that out. Very nice. This is really nice camera. Has a handle right here. A couple more options right here. So it does record in 4K, so let's put the batteries in, let's test it out. So the battery part is down here. Just go ahead and open that up right there. And it does come with 32 gigabytes of storage already built in. Right there. So you don't even have to go buy an extra memory card, it's already included on there. And we'll go ahead and put one of these batteries. All right, everything clicked into place. We'll seal it up. And there we go. This is pretty awesome. All right, so some of the cool features that it has, it does have an 18x zoom on here. It does do slow-mo, time-lapse. You could even hook this up to your computer and it could serve like as your webcam. What I do like is that you could turn this all the way around so you can actually see what you're recording. And that's where the remote will come in. So like if you have this like station somewhere, so I'll flip it back over just so you can see it. And then I can control it right here. Hit the menu and just kind of go through the options here. Like I said, it does record in 4K and it has a 42 megapixel camera as well. Like I said, high quality photos, honestly. So cool is it also has like a built-in self timer. So that way, you know, you could dock it and it could take a picture. You could use this to take that picture. So like I said, it has all the cool features that you would normally have. So let's actually record from here and just see how it looks and sounds. What I do want to show back here is this, you can actually plug in a microphone right here. And then this is where you will charge it. And even if you're charging, you're still actually able to record and use it. So I thought that was like a neat feature. So let's go ahead and actually use the camera. We'll start recording from here. All right, guys, so here we are. This is what the camera actually looks like right from the source. I do want to say that I did plug in my own microphone. I did try it through what it comes with. To me, I did sound slightly muffled, but I did go ahead and put up my own microphone. I'll show you which one it is here in a second. But I do want to just right now look at the quality of how it records. And I'm looking at the 3-inch display that it comes with. It looks super clear on here. So I'm hoping that'll translate once I actually export it. But man, this camera seems to be a good fit. Like I said, once you put the microphone on there, it does have the stand for it at the very top. I think it should be a solid camera. All right, guys, so there you have it. You saw how it looks. I just want to point it out, like I said, I did end up hooking a microphone to it. The setup was super easy. It already has a slot right here for you to put any other accessories, and it just hooks up through the mic port right here. So like I said, the quality of the camera, cannot deny. It is a good quality camera. Like I said, once I put the mic on there, it was solid video camera. So if you're looking for a new camcorder, definitely look into this one. Highly recommend. I'm gonna leave that link down below. 10 out of 10.